Hey everybody, welcome back to the Maniac. I am super excited today. My metallic Heist collection from Luxapolish is finally here. I didn't order it on the day it came out because I was going back and forth about whether I was gonna get it or not. But I ended up breaking down and getting it because I love Luxa so much. Such a good brand. I was also looking at the Madame Glam metallic collection that they have, so I'll probably end up getting that too because it does have some different colors than this one that comes with the Luxa. I did order both. They came kind of in two sets, so you could order like set number 1, set number 2, and I did buy both, so I got all 12 of the metallic Heist colors. And then if you bought them during the launch with at the same time in the same purchase, if you bought both collections, they sent you a matte top coat for free, which I thought was really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you guys right now. And the colors are just gorgeous, like I've seen videos other people have done. And I'm gonna actually do 2 swatches for each. So I'll do a shiny and a matte so you can see the difference. So let's get started. So first is Caveat, and this is such a beautiful, the purples, the blues. I mean, so many of these colors are just amazingly gorgeous. The one thing about this collection is that the colors are really similar. So if you get like set 1 and set 2, there's a purple in each, there's a blue in each. Um, so this one is Lookout, a beautiful like burgundy wine type color. I do wish there was a little bit more variety, but I'm sure eventually they'll come out with some more. These are kind of like winter colors, so it makes sense timing wise to not have like bright orange metallic or something like that. So really beautiful colors. And Operation Luxa. So this one it looks black like when you kind of look at it, but it's kind of shimmers that olive color um, in the light. So this is Renegade, one of the blues. Really pretty. And this is just a single coat. Obviously, I didn't want to take the time to you guys watch me do a second coat on every single one of these. But I am going to show you at the end. All right, and next is Rogue. All right, and this one, Sequence. Really, really, really pretty. I really was blown away by this collection. It's just so beautiful. And it looks a little more pink, that last one, the first coat. This one's Checkmate. And I'll show you at the end a side by side of the matte and the glossy of each color. This one's Payback, which is just a really pretty, I'm not really a gold, I mean, I guess it's kind of a yellow, really yellow gold type color. Just really beautiful. This was probably my one that surprised me the most that I liked, called Double Down. And again, it kind of looks black in the cap, but when you put it on, it's just this really amazing green color. And this is the other blue Buzzkill. A little bit more of like darker blue. All right, and this one is Getaway. The two like red colors in here are really pretty. And Hardwired. This one I really liked. It's like a bronze kind of color. Um, just so pretty. I mean, they really nailed these colors. As much as I wish that it was more of a like more varied collection. Obviously, like I said, for winter, they totally nailed it. These colors are gorgeous. So these are the side by sides of the different colors that they have. So one shiny and one matte. These are both using the Luxa Shine top coat and the Luxa Matte Velveteen Matte top coat, which I love both. They're fantastic. And I mean, I was surprised by some of these colors and how much I like them. Oh, I love that blue. It's just so beautiful. You really can't go wrong with any of these colors. I have favorites, of course. Um, and like I said, this one, Double Down, was probably one of my like biggest surprises that I really loved. I didn't realize it was just this such a gorgeous green. So that is all the side by sides on the collection. So thank you so much for watching today. Let me know what your favorite color out of this collection is down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love to have you as a subscriber. So follow me on Instagram as well, the _Mandy_Maniac, and we'll see you next time.